I've got a question for you. Do you have a kitchen cabinet or shelf or drawer that's absolutely overflowing with plastic reusable containers? I know we did, but a while back we made the decision to get rid of a lot of them, and we haven't really looked back. Let me introduce myself for those of you who don't know me. My name is David Bennett of the Metabolic Body Reset, and I help busy women and men lose weight, regain their energy, and feel confident in themselves and keep the weight off in their daily life. So I'm here to encourage you to do the same thing. It's time to send, or at least most of those, plastic containers out for recycling and replace them with something better. And by better, I mean better for your health, the environment, and also the taste of your food. Plus, it'll even save you a few dollars in the long run because you won't constantly have to replace flimsy, worn-out containers. Glass is a much better choice. Even if you use BPA-free plastics, studies have shown that toxic chemicals in plastic can migrate to your food when you microwave it. That doesn't happen in glass. Glass can withstand higher temperatures, which means it won't warp or break down when washed in a dishwasher. Glass containers can last practically forever with the proper care, and if you do want to get rid of them, they are easily recycled. Glass containers are usually freezer safe. They don't release chemicals when they're frozen and are less likely to leak. Glass containers don't smell or absorb stains, and overall they look nicer too. Plus, glass containers are surprisingly affordable, especially if you buy a set of them like Pyrex, which is a well-trusted brand. So are you going to be treating yourself to this upgrade? Let me know what you choose. Like I choose a Barreau water bottle. But before we go any further, take a minute and think about this. How much could you actually save if you made those changes and weren't constantly replacing glass bottles? So if this information is interesting and you like to hear this type of material, take a minute and go over to my Facebook page, Weight Loss and Metabolic Health, and join the group so that you can stay in touch with all of this important information.